Hey guys, I am back with another Roblox YouTube video. I'm back. I know it's been 2 months, but I'm back. And I will post a video of my face. Posted my face before on this channel, but I will post the video. And I'm gonna be checking out the Pride pins in Adopt Me. I haven't played Adopt Me in a month, I think, or something. And I came to check out the Pride pins earlier, like 20 minutes ago, but I forgot all about it, and I traded with someone, and then I just left. But we're gonna go to the hat shop, because I'm pretty sure that's where they are. I saw it on TikTok, so I'm pretty sure they're free. Yep, free pins once every hour. Okay, I'm gonna get the buy one. I'm gonna get all of them when I get more, like, wait, let me just check and see. Okay, I'm gonna get all of the other ones later in the time, but I wanna test this out on a pets. Oh shoot, what did I do? Alright. Dress up. I don't know where the pin are. Oh, there. Yes! That's cool. Okay. So I got the pin for my Arctic reindeer. And also this is my new pet. I'm gonna do an inventory tour too, just for content. I'm not trying to brag, and I'm just trying to show you. Cause you guys, I had a giraffe, but I don't have a giraffe anymore. I didn't get scammed. Okay, comment down below if you think this was a good trade. So I'm just gonna reset if I can. Okay, I don't think I can reset, but we're gonna go home cause I'm gonna get my vehicle out because I'm not trying to be upset. Also, I think I'm just going to show my pets because I kind of have a lot of stuff and I can't make this video too long or I will run out of storage and the video will pause at a random time, and I hate when that happens. Alright, also, and it is very late, it's 3 in the morning, so sorry if I'm like a little bit quiet. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can. Yeah, $2. Okay. So I traded a giraffe, legendary rideable giraffe, for an Arctic reindeer legendary, a legendary penguin that's flyable, but I don't want to fly it in here, and a rideable, and I also got this rideable rat from the trade, golden, legendary, and I got this rideable turtle that's also legendary. So you guys comment down below if that was a good trade. I think it was very good, and I kind of felt bad, but she was the one, like, I didn't tell her to add more. She was like, if you give me your giraffe, I'll add a lot, and I said, okay, let's put an offer, and we did, and I really liked it. So you guys comment down below what you think. Also, this white dragon, I got that a year ago. No, a long time ago. Might be a flamingo. Y'all probably have seen the rest of these. I should probably make a neon of these, of the red pandas, because I do have 4. I guess I never got to it. I got 1 monkey because I kind of stopped playing when, like, in quarantine. I don't know why. It just got boring. Also, I have 5 dingoes, which I should probably make a neon of. Anyways, also, I have, like, almost no furniture because I was going to try to sell my furniture to get a smaller house because I wanted more money and I wanted a smaller house because I don't really roleplay anymore in Adopt Me. And I didn't end up with a lot of money, but I did end up being able to buy an egg, so that's what I did instead of saving up. I wanted to get like these pizza shops. Inside, I don't know, I'm just curious. Yeah, these are the types. These look like actually I don't know. Anyways. Also, tell me in the comments, guys, if you guys have any, like, good trade for this. I don't think I would really give them away, like, the legendaries, but maybe there's something, I don't know, just about. Okay. I think I'm gonna end off the video here because I don't know what else to say. But if you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, smash the like button. I said that 2 times. And comment down below what you want in the next video, and I'll do it for you guys. So I hope you enjoy this video. Bye!